Well, guys, I was on the freeway and I realized that it wasn't shifting, so I pulled over, threw the hazards on, and then I got all these dash lights. The brakes don't work, and it says service all these things, and yeah, I'm pretty bummed out. Like, I don't know what to do. I don't know. So, yeah, I'm pretty sad right now, and I don't know what to do. This is some bullshit, and this is some bullshit, dude. I didn't even do anything. I literally didn't do anything. So, my buddy Daniel, he's gonna come help me out, give me some Allen wrenches, and we got someone coming up on me right now. I don't know who this is. Well, I just had some pedestrians come and help me, and yeah, I really don't know what the fuck's going on here. So this kind of sucks, and we'll see when Daniel shows up. Hopefully we can just disconnect the battery, because I've had that happen in the past and it works, but I've never had it where it didn't want to shift, so that's not a good sign. Yeah, let me put it in drive and maybe see if there's any noise. The brakes don't work, so you got to be like really careful. So let's see here if I hear anything. No, I don't hear anything. It's a brake system failure. So no power brakes. Yeah, that's the code. So yeah, that's some bullshit. I don't know if it's the air compressor with the battery, because I know they have fucking things with batteries, but we're gonna wait till Daniel shows up. Hopefully we figure this out. And my new truck is broken on the side of the road. That's freaking sweet. So keep you guys updated. Well, I guess that's kind of a sign. We're broken down on the side of the road. Shout out to my neighbor. He's helping me out here. Dirt Remedy Offroad. Check out his YouTube channel. He's came to save the day, dude. So yeah, this kind of sucks. Well, I disconnected the battery last night and woke up this morning, reconnected it, and a remote started. So that probably means the check engine light's gone. Let's go check it out on the inside. God damn. Let's check it out. No. I don't think it's gonna work here. No. Dude, that's some bullshit. Well, looks like I ain't going to work. Never had to call a tow truck before, so this is fucking sick. Should I give it one more day? Okay, it did that. Still got all the codes on it. The brakes don't really work, so it's fucking awesome. Alright guys, a little update. Tried last night to do the battery thing, unplug the battery for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and reconnect it, see if it worked. It didn't work. We tried on the side of the freeway, it didn't work. We left it overnight, still have all those codes. So right now I'm waiting for the tow truck, and right now I'm waiting for the tow truck to pick up the brand new ZR2 with 300 miles on it. This is kind of ridiculous. And I know my black truck had issues like this in the beginning, but not at 300 miles. This is insane. This is ridiculous. Like, I'm speechless. Like, honestly, I would normally be pissed, but it's just so ridiculous. Like, I can't. 300 miles and I already need a tow truck. I didn't even need a tow truck on my 23, and it was a first year truck. So we're gonna wait till a tow truck gets here, and they better let me use a rental, because I don't have any other transportation. The wife can't bring me to work every single day. You kidding me? So, yeah, let's wait till the tow truck gets here, and then I'll kind of see what they have to say. And we're going to the dealership today. They better give me a rental. But, yeah. But, yeah, I didn't even do anything crazy yesterday. It's a traction control, ESC, parking brake, pretty much everything that has to do with brake stuff. And did some research. Some guy said his brake booster took a poopy, but he had a used truck, so I don't know what the deal is. Hopefully it's just a battery. I mean, I could go to the store and buy a battery, but this time I'm gonna use the dealership because that's what you buy a new truck for, right? The warranty and all this shit. My last truck was over warranty, and I kind of figured it out the whole time, but I'm over it, dude. I don't got time to dick around with all that stuff. Just give me a rental and fix it, because I still have to do all this stuff too when we get it back. So we'll see what the dealer says. I don't know, dude. It's ridiculous. My mind is blown. So let me know down in the comments if you guys had this happen to you within 300 miles, because I'm kind of just, I'm clueless, dude. This is so ridiculous. Well, tow truck. Plenty. All right, guys, we got a rental. I'll talk to you guys about it on my way to work, but we got the weird blue color, not the cool one, but the more crazy one. But I had to show you guys the sunset this morning, so let's start out that trail, boss. All right, everybody, so here's a little update from the dealership. I was a little pissed because, you know, they weren't really wanting to give me a rental right away, which, you know, they should have just told me they can't give me a rental until it gets diagnosed. So the diagnosis is that the brake control module took a shit. So that's pretty crazy. For 300 miles, the brake control module took a shit. So now I'm going to have zero confidence in the new ZR2, just long-term, you know, like overland trips and off-road trips. Like I'm going to have to test it out around here in my local trails out in Maricopa, but like it's kind of crazy. 300 miles and the brake control module failed, but this is my theory. I looked at like the service history of the ZR2, and between mile 1, it said no start, like on the record, like on, you know, like the record of the vehicle. So that no start on mile 1. So that means it's probably been sitting around a long time, the battery's dead, and they probably jumped it or something. And then if you go and look a little bit further, mile 3 had a no start again. So maybe a dead battery again. So they jumped it twice and it died twice. That's pretty much my only theory there, is that maybe it fried it, jumping it twice with 3 miles on the fucking odometer. But I don't know. Still, regardless, I'm a little bummed out that my ZR2's been at the dealership longer than I've actually driven it. I only had it for 4 days. So literally after last week's video, I was driving home and that happened. But now I got this cool little blue ZR2 or Trail Boss. Got this cool blue ZR2 Trail Boss. Honestly, the Trail Boss is pretty nice. Like, it actually feels like a truck. Like, it doesn't feel like a luxury vehicle. Like, it actually feels like a truck. Like, let me show you. So, like, first of all, the steering wheel's plastic. Like, it's like rubber. But I mean, like, that's truck stuff, you know? Leather, no leather. That's luxury vehicle has the leather, but this has like actual plastic steering wheel. It's a 24 or 25, I don't even know, but it has the fucking big gauge cluster, which, you know, 23 Z71 guys and Trail Boss guys and all the 23 guys never got the big screen, which is still a bummer. Yeah, it doesn't have any of the fancy tech. The shifters are nice and rubber, so that's cool. But yeah, it feels like a truck, and like that color. Color's pretty cool, you know? I don't know. What do you guys think about this color? The rental color. It's like that baby blue color, but everybody keeps looking at me and I don't really like it because it's a little colorful for me, but yeah, it drives really nice, honestly. Like, it drives really good. I don't know if it's because I'm whipping it harder than I was on my ZR2, like on the streets, but like it feels nice. And yeah, it feels like a real truck, not like a luxury car that like the ZR2 and Z71s have. And yeah, so I have no idea when my ZR2 is gonna be back. I only got to drive it for fucking 4 days before that happened, and like I said, I'm having no confidence in it off-roading and, you know, camping out in the woods and stuff, like, because we can't really do any desert camping, and that's close. So like, I gotta test the waters out on this new ZR2 reliability first before I start doing like adventures and stuff. So I'm happy that it failed when it did, like not on the freeway when I'm like in traffic going to work, because like the traffic going to work sometimes is a little crazy. But yeah, so the part, they ordered the part 2 days ago on a Tuesday. They said 4 days, so part 4 days ETA, so hopefully I can get it back Friday or Saturday or Monday. I don't know if they're working on the weekends or whatnot, but yeah, let me merge onto the freeway here first before I keep going. Yeah guys, look at these sunsets on my way to work. But yeah, I'm happy it didn't happen like during this, because that would have sucked ass. We get some nice beautiful sunsets or sunrises over here at Maricopa, but the 347 is a little sketchy. But yeah, hopefully I get my truck back this week. I'm happy that I have a rental because I can actually drive to work and make money to pay for it. But it's kind of ridiculous, 300 miles in it. The brake control module took a shit. I know a couple of people have had this problem, like on the Facebook groups and stuff, because when this happened to me, I was like searching for something, you know. I thought it was like, you know, battery thing or all the other previous issues that happened on the Z71. I tried the remedies and it didn't work, so I don't know. I'm just happy there's not a national-wide back order on the part, because then I would be real sad. But yeah, I'll try to keep you guys updated if I get the vehicle back or not. I don't know. It's been about almost a whole week since I dropped it off at the dealership. Tomorrow will be a week. So I'll let you guys know if I get the ZR2 back, and yeah, we'll see the diagnosis and whatever they thought it was. I don't know, but I'll talk to you guys in a bit. I'm gonna enjoy my drive to work in my nice blue Trail Boss. So catch you guys in a bit. Well guys, truck's still not here. Here's the last update before this video goes live, because today is yesterday if you're watching the video. Today's Saturday, you're watching on Sunday if you guys watching on Sunday. So the brake control module, they're working on it. They said on Friday, so yesterday they were working on it. So I don't know why it's taking that long to do a brake control module. I guess you just plug it in and reprogram it, but they're not done yet. So hopefully I get on Monday, but I'll let you guys know. And this is really sad. Yeah, my truck's broken and I only had it for 4 days and didn't even get to enjoy it. I've been enjoying this new 25 Reef Blue Trail Boss, but yeah, guys, I'll see you guys next week. Hopefully I have my truck. Peace out. Love you. Thank you to all my members, my 2 members. You guys are awesome. Make sure, like, down below, you want to become a member. It's like $2, I think it is. And I upload these videos. I'm going to start doing them early for you guys. So, and I have some awesome news coming up in the future. We're on the road to SEMA, baby. So that's going to be sick. But talk to you guys next week. Love you. Hopefully we have my new truck back. See ya. Bye.